Apples are a great fruit to put into the lunchbox. If you're wondering how to prevent them from browning, here are 3 methods that you can try. First, start with apples that don't brown as easily or as quickly. So Honey Crisp is one, Cosmic Crisp, and Pink Lady. You can peel them or not, whatever your kid likes, and you can cut them up into slices or even fun shapes by cutting your apple thin and using a vegetable fruit cutter. All the methods are the same. You need a bowl of really cold water. You can add some ice. The first one I'm going to use is just a little bit of salt. So like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt into your bowl of cold water. And stir it up and add your apples. Mix them in and then let that bowl of apples sit. The salt one is 3 to 5 minutes. Method number 2 is the same method with the apples into the ice cold water, and then you add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix that up. And set it off to the side and let that sit for 5 minutes. The last method is pineapple juice. 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice in the bowl of cold water and mix it up, and you let that sit for 5 minutes as well. Once they're done soaking, you're going to drain them. If you want to, you can rinse them too, like especially the salt one if you want, but it doesn't make them salty if you use the right amount of salt. And then you're going to pat them dry and store them in a zipper bag. I like to use these silicone Ziploc bags. You can also store them in an airtight container. When using a bag, just make sure you get all the extra air out. And you're going to store them into the refrigerator, and they should not brown up to at least 3 days, making it really easy to pack in lunches in the morning. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you tried any of these methods.